Meet the system shutter panels from Marlo and Rubio Pergolas. Most importantly, every single slat is made of 100% aluminum, which guarantees zero rust and no maintenance required. The powder-coated finish ensures a perfect, smooth play of light and shadow on your terrace. You can install any number of panels, from a single decorative accent to a full enclosure of the pergola side, creating an intimate, luxury outdoor living room. And now, we will demonstrate the installation of the shutter panels for the Marlo and Rubio pergolas. You receive the shutter panel in a ready-to-install, fully assembled form. The process is incredibly simple. The panel is screwed directly into the pergola's recess. These elements are available in several color variants and come in one universal width of 113 centimeters. The entire structure is made of high-quality aluminum, guaranteeing durability for years to come. Visit shopsun.eu for more inspiration and details.